Hey, Asia Pacific Youth Exchange 2021 Darzo team te Zin Kong Chu ani.
The children of Darzo.
Oh, team 9 leaders and Puya. Oh, Tuang Pui. Oh, Lua Pui. Yeah, HP. And Timothy and Julie.
Hey,
Hola. Hi, bye. Hi.
FUA sign.
This is everyone's song.
We are on our way to Darzo famous mountainside.
Team Pali Lai Mungai Lo Le Lai Shangai Lo Te In Ella Inti Siak Tura Kal Kania Makse Thil Tratia Dang Lam Na Thlen Du Tra Kania Wangin Thokhoin Kan Thai Angin Kanin Pui Ton Ta Zo Kani Kan Nom Ho Hun Chung Chu Rei Lo Le Makse Kanin Nelin Kanin Mangai Man Mani.
Yeah! Hey!
Remember when
Wow!
I was young, so
Wow!
time stood still.
Wow!
Love was all
Wow!
you were the first,
Wow!
so was I.
That one is James, yeah, James. And that's Lucy.
Anal. Before! Here we go!
Gave our hearts, made the stars.
Presentation kan pek ni tura lo thlenga ni leng zan khuwa deuh thowa kar khat don zat mai kan lo in pu cha ve na chu minute li le ka khung le na lo ngai ta sia azamom vel khop mai
Remember when
Nervous?
old ones died and new were born, life was
Variance, which is the
changed.
fixed type and the portable type. So when it moves
Disassembled,
once,
rearranged. We came together, fell apart, and broke each other's hearts. Remember when?
Come on, say hi to the camera. Yeah. You deserve that. Cool. Come on. Victory dance. Didn't know. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. High five. Auntie. High five.
Simple dance. We found trust, vowed we'd never
Put that on.
give it up. Remember when?
Wow. Ganda, di kan lau man mo.
Remember when? You seem so now looking back, it's just a stepping stone to where we are, where we've been. Said we'd do it all again.
Di ba siya live ko din meron sa Hello.
Team Darzo.
Why can't? Tinggal minti tolong ini ranting senol ini bardot. Let's do cake. Yay! Wow! Whoa! These three people. Ladies from the team Darzo. Let's have cake. Yeah! Enjoy our memories. This will not be forgotten. Team number 9, 10, 11, 12 kan dia. Lim tlang thầy lẽ dia project a winner. Kalau mai lah. Kan project hi ki chun zam sa kan tum thawa. Lim lẽ ni. Oh, hell yes. Round corner. Oh, yeah, it does look like ice cream. Oh, just go. Oh. So sustainable. Jumbo number 20 sugar. Yeah. And the presenter of this project is Team Darzo. In our team we have Luapuyi. Hi Luapuyi. And we have Luangpuyi. Hi. And then we have the Auntie Julie. Hi. And we have Uncle Timo. I know.